when I take 2 machines home. Willst du es auch mal probieren?
Du musst es ein bisschen anstrengen.
Ja.
Ja, wenn du nicht zu dick abmachst, dann macht man zu große Stücke.
In Germany we have small, sharp knives for this work called Pittermesser. Pitter knife.
The Germans have many.
Die Schulter ist okay. Aber du möchtest auch gerne, ne?
Ich möchte das auch.
Ja, total. Ja, sehr archaisch. Ja. Man sieht auch nichts.
Did you put some salt in there?
Yeah.
Salt. Mhm.
Then you get, with the salt, you get creamy garlic.
Creamy jetzt. Und dann
It's a little bit like you making like this, yes.
very small and creamy. It's also technical.
Something important for us too. Can get this idea. Easier,
Yeah.
faster.
Faster.
For the Germans, don't love the pieces of garlic. So there's only the flavor. But we love it all.
For some recipes, actually could be good to prepare like this. We
Yeah.
also
Yeah.
make
Yeah.
a pastry.
Yeah.
So it's good.
We can put it in curd and make with salt and pepper inside.